Introducing Comica Revo S wireless reporter microphone for smartphone.
Hello. Testing mic 1 2.
Hello there. It's been a minute.
What's cooking? What's popping? SJS Nation, SJS fam, it's your girl Shejackiesays. You're welcome back to another video. I know this is not my usual kind of video doing tech related videos, but why not? We recently hit 1 million views, and thank you guys for all the amazing views on my YouTube channel. And as I promised you, the upcoming month is going to be very beautiful on this channel. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing two microphones that I got. And the first one, I don't know the brand, but it's Lucco. But the focus is not on this. We want to unbox the Comica microphone, and I saw art on it on social media. It comes wrapped up in a rubber and all that. Yes, a very beautiful shot, as you can see on the screen. This is roughly around 67 US dollars, and yes, less than $100. So we want to unbox this and see what is in. So when you look at the box, it says here wireless reporter microphone for smartphone. It has written here Super Sheldon, support 3-level gain adjustment, cardioid polar pattern, calmness, denoise, yeah, and the wireless digital output. And yeah, I can't wait to unbox this. So the unboxing is sort of not really difficult, but you need to have okay. So this is how it comes like, and then there is this pouch inside where you could put the microphone inside. I love to see these kind of stuff. Over the years, anytime I buy stuff that has this bag, I've never used them though, but probably this time around I would. So this is what it comes with, and let's see what it has here. So you know the picture you saw has the Comica thing. So if you want to put this on the mic flag, you just use these. I think that is what it's used for. And this is obviously the user manual. I want to see what other thing they have in here. I'm not going to read the user manual, but yeah. This scan to reach user manual certification. It's from China. Warranty card. So where I got it from, I asked them that should I, like, does warranty work? So they said, yeah. I'm closer to them at my workplace, so definitely in case of anything, I'll just check them out. So this is what it comes with. It comes with a mic flag. So if you personally don't have a paper something for your microphone, then you can use it. So that's just what is inside. Let's look at the microphone itself. Then it comes with a charger, a Type-C cord, as you can see here. You put it down, and yeah, it's supposed to be in this rubber. That's what it comes in with. Oof. And the microphone itself, it's very foamy. Is there any other thing I'm missing in here? Nothing. So this is how it comes like. This is the Comica professional audio equipment. Comica Revo S. That's the name of it, Comica Revo S. And I love it. I feel it's very light. I love so this is where you put your details, like the mic flag, and then you can put, if you want to brand it, you could do that. And so let's just turn it on. Okay, and this is supposed to be, is this supposed to be the transmitter or the receiver? This is supposed to connect to your phone, but usually it's just stuck in here just for protection's sake. So, and this is where you charge it, you turn it on. I could see a denoise figure here. Yes, there's a denoise sort of figure here. So we could also try it. This is how it's supposed to be. There's a denoise button there. So now let's connect it to my Type-C phone. Yes, let's do the connection to the Type-C phone. I'm pretty sure you could connect it to, because iPhone 15 upwards uses a Type-C. So that is what it uses. So let's see how it works. Currently, I'm using this small lapel mic, not even using any of the microphones here. So let's see the change in the difference. Let me just switch it up and see how it works. All right, so we are on. I just turned it on here. I've connected the other one, I think the transmitter. I've connected it there to the phone, and let's see how it works. So it turns on blue here. That's what I see here. It's blue here, so it means it's on. And noise, so you could lower the volume. So let's see how it feels like. Hello, testing mic 1 2 5 6 4 6 4 5 6 9 8 7 3 4, whatever. Like, that's the sound. Now let's put it to hello, testing mic 1 2. This is at the second level. I've turned on the fan. The AC is off, but there's a little music in the background. This at the second volume. Now let's turn it to the third one. Hello there. Hi, I'm Shejackiesays, your host for today. We are unboxing Comica Revo S. Yes. Let me take it back to one. Hello guys, I'm Shejackiesays, your host for today, and in this video we are unboxing Comica Revo S. Let's do the two. Hi guys, I'm Jacqueline and Suma, your boy, your host for today, and we are unboxing Comica Revo S. So let me know which one do you think, which of these sound difference do you think makes it catchy. But one thing I like about this Comica Revo S is the fact that it's very easy to handle, very easy to handle. It's very light, and as someone who moves about a lot, I wouldn't want to be with something that is very heavy. So there it is. This is how it's like. So let me use this opportunity to brand it. So we take, oh my god, I love how it feels like here. So we take this off. Okay, we take this off. I don't want to take it. I hate it when I hope I'll be able to put it back. I hope I'll be able to put it back. Let's see. I hope I'll be able to put it back. Back. No. So I think I have to brand it now. So let's try and brand this. I've already printed it out. That's like my logo. So we put it here. Like, it works. Yeah. It's like the same size of it. I printed a couple here. Oh. Ooh. Shejackiesays. Okay, so you're still recording through the microphone. I'm a very meticulous individual. Yay! Let me know if you think my logo here is nice. But Shejackiesays. 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 Let's brand this. Let's brand this. Let's brand this. Shejackiesays. Okay. Then there is another one here. I'm just hoping the sound is good because I'm recording everything from the microphone. The microphone is just laying down, so I'm just hoping it's the sound is okay. Oh no. Okay. No. Okay. Great. Shejackiesays. Oh my god. I'm not getting this thing right. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Lord, oh my soul. I didn't put it right, but anyways. Yes. I love this. It's like cute and all that.
Hi. So yeah, but then we want to try another microphone on the same phone, and let's see the sound quality, the difference. So I introduced a different microphone to you earlier, which is the Lucco mic. Well, this is like a dummy mic where all I'll do is just put in this lapel mic in the inner part of it and just record with it whilst using the transmitter. So let's also record with that and see how the sounds look like. Wait. Hello. So I don't know how this works, but I just did the let's see. Hello, hello, hi, hi, hello. I think I just long pressed it, and I should think this is how the denoise thing works. But I tapped on the green. I double tapped on it. It was blue initially. Hello, hi. Now this is green. This is the green sound. Hi guys, I'm Jacqueline Ansamaya. Hi, I'm Jacqueline Ansumaya boy. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Jacqueline Ansumaya boy. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So when the light turns on green, this is how it looks like. So all I did was just long press it. So there's a denoise, the normal sound and denoise. Okay, so I think that is how it works. So the blue and the green. Yeah, so we see it green. When I long press it, it's blue now. So let's check the sound difference when we're using the green and the blue. Let me know down below in the comment section how it sounds like. Now let's switch to the Lucco and see the difference in this microphone. Now this is the Lucco mic. It just comes like this. Oh, I thought it was the same size. I think, okay, this is smaller. So this is the Lucco mic. I love this mic. It's also very, let me wait. It's also light, and this is how it's like. So all you have to do is just put in this microphone. You have a microphone that is like this, the small lapel mic. You put it in there and put the microphone shield in there, and let's see the sound. So what I want us to do is just to compare the two sounds that we have. So I'm going to go off with this and connect this microphone to that, and we see the sound difference. Okay. Hello there. It's been a minute. This is your girl Shejackiesays, and you're all welcome back to the SJS vlog where we talk about fashion, lifestyle, and entertainment.
FJ.
So today,
with the strength of a woman, Shejackiesays. With the power of a woman, Shejackiesays. Everywhere she goes, every day, Shejackiesays. With the strength of a woman, Shejackiesays. With the strength of a woman.
my microphone here is connected. Let me put the windshield on. How does this work? Okay. I'm sure the liquid could come anywhere. Okay. What's up guys, I'm Jacqueline Ansumaya, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are unboxing the Comica Revo S. So this is the microphone. This is how it looks like, very handy. So let me know which one are you going in for. This is very cost friendly. This one, as I said, is roughly like $67 US, and this let me say 18 USD. You could get this for 18 US, and this is $67 US. So that is the difference between these two microphones. Let me know which one you're going in for, which one is cost friendly, because the microphone that I have, I bought it for like the lapel that is inside this. It was bought for 450 Ghana cedis. So if you're adding that 450 plus 250, like 300, okay, it's not the same, but it's just a little bit closer. You still have to spend, just that is less. So which one are you going in for? Are you going for this or that? Let me know down below in the comment section. And this has been the review of the Lucco dummy mic, and of course the Comica Revo S microphone. And yeah, let me know which of these microphones is your favorite and which one would you go in for. So your girl Shejackiesays, let me know down below your thoughts on this video. Peace, and I am out.